Welcome back. It's Miss Haig with another Minds On. It's time to start thinking about names in our family. Do you have any pets? Do you have any brothers? Do you have any sisters? Who lives under your house? I wonder who has the longest name in your house or who has the shortest name in your house. I'm going to show you who lives under my roof. Boom. All right. So, I have me, Miss Hake. I have my dog named Blue. I have my daughter named Charlotte. And I have a rabbit named Greg. Just looking at this list, who do you think might have the longest name? Let's see. Did you think it was between Miss Hake and Charlotte? Because Blue and Greg look pretty short. Do they look short to you? They look short to me. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to count. Starting with the M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 letters in Miss Hake's name. I'm going to write that number beside just so I don't forget. 9 letters. Excuse me a minute while I get my 9 written. There it is. 9. All right. Now let's go ahead and count Charlotte's name. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my goodness. Is it a tie? Miss Hake and Charlotte have the longest name in my house. Now, who has the shortest name? Is it Blue or is it Greg? Let's count. Blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4? My goodness. 4 letters in Blue's name. What about Greg? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters in Greg's name. Hey, wait a minute. We have another tie. Miss Hake and Charlotte have the longest names, and Blue and Greg have the shortest names. I'm wondering if you could make a name train now out of everybody's names. So I'm going to start with Miss Hake and make a name train. So you're going to go back to your desk or wherever you're working from, and you're going to write out, with some help, the names of the people that live under your house, in your roof, wherever you live, or maybe whatever your teacher says, maybe the names of the people sitting at your table. And then you're going to see who has the longest name. So this is our minds on. So I'm going to create a name train. Are we ready? Miss Hake, I need how many things? 9 things. Oh my goodness. I wish I had my counters here, but I'm going to use some crayons. All right, here comes my train. 1. Come on, crayon. 2. Oh, they roll away. 3. 4. There's my miss. Chugga, 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 choo, choo. 5. Oops. 6. 7. 8. 9. Goodness, there's one train. There's my name in crayons. Now I'll do Blue's name. 1, 2, 3, 4. B-L-U-E, Blue. Hey, that's easy to see. Miss Hake's name in a train and Blue's name in a train. Miss Hake's name is longer than Blue's name. 9 and 4. See if you can create some name trains using crayons or blocks or stickers or bingo dabbers or whatever you need to create all of the names either at your table or the people at your house to create name trains. And then you can see how long your train is and see who has the longest name and who has the shortest name. All right, happy minds on. See you next time.